If you have family waiting overseas for their green card interview to be scheduled, then this video will help you understand the waiting time and what the Visa Bulletin is all about. Because yes, that's right, it is Visa Bulletin time for January of 2024. Hello everyone, I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been practicing law for over 20 years and specializing in immigration law for over a decade. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I help individuals and families from any state in the United States and really any country in the world. So stick around for a couple of minutes because this stuff is way too important for you to stop right now. You want to know what has changed since last month's Visa Bulletin, and I'm here to tell you what that is right now. So first of all, what is the Visa Bulletin? If you've watched these in the past, you probably already know, but it doesn't hurt for me to repeat myself. So the Visa Bulletin is a publication that the State Department specifically puts out for people who are going through the green card process overseas. It's called consular processing. So the government puts out this publication every month to show you where you are in the waiting period for your interview to be scheduled, okay? So what they do is they categorize it based on family relationship, as well as the different countries on the planet for processing times, okay? So first, the categories. Family relationships. F1 is the first preference category. And again, we're looking at the Visa Bulletin. If you're looking at it, and I post a little snapshot of the Visa Bulletin, there's different charts in this bulletin. This chart is for family-based preferences, not business, family-based. And what it is an indication of how long you're going to wait, as you know, but it is to show you the movement from last month to this month, okay? So family-based categories and the different countries in the planet that these are processing from, okay? So first is the F1 category, which is unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. The second preference category are spouses and children, as well as unmarried sons and daughters of legal residents. So they break it up into two. F2A, spouses and children, which we're talking little kids. F2B, unmarried sons and daughters, that's the older kids, okay, of legal permanent residents, okay? The third category, F3, married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. The fourth and final category are brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, okay? So let's get into the numbers, okay? So basically, it changes every month. Sometimes it doesn't change at all. Sometimes it takes months to get changes. There's been a few changes since last month, okay? So basically the F1 category, it's all the same across the board. So that's for China, India, Mexico, Philippines, and everyone else on the planet. It's exactly the same, okay? So you can look at my video from last month and see what that was, okay? No change. So the second category, F2A, which again are spouses and children of legal permanent residents. So last month, they were processing people from February of 2019. Now they're processing people from November of 2019. So it jumped ahead by a number of months, okay? And that's for the general world population. China, it's the same thing. November of 2019. India, November of 19. Mexico, it is October of 2019, or predicted for next month. And the Philippines, November 2019, okay? So F2B, unmarried sons and daughters, those are the little kids under the age of 21 of legal permanent residents, okay? So right now, they're processing the general world population October of 2015. It was September of 2019. So they went from September of 2019 to now they're processing people from 2015. So basically it went backwards. So a little bit longer of a wait now. So the same is true for China and India, October of 2015. Mexico, October of 2003, they were processing from May of 2002. Now they're doing 2003, so it kind of jumped ahead a bit. So it's a good thing. Philippines is the same as last month, which is October of 2011, okay? So F3 is the married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. So the general world population, they're processing April of 2009. They were processing from January of 2009, okay? So it's improved by a few months. China and India, they're processing April of 2009. Mexico, they're processing September of 1998, and they were processing March of 1998. So it's jumped ahead a bit too. So that's a good improvement. The Philippines, it's the same as it was last month, which is June of 2002, okay? So the F4 category, brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, May of 2007, it was April 2007. So it just changed by about a month. For China and India, so China, May of 2007. In India, November 2005. It was October of 2005, so it's improved by about a month. Mexico is the same, September of 2000. The Philippines, October 2002. It was August of 2002, so it's a little bit of an improvement. So again, every month it changes. Every month you come back here to see what I have to say about it. You know, slight improvement, not crazy improvement, but it hasn't really gone backwards by many categories. So it's trending in the zero-sum game. It's not much different, but again, it's good to know, okay? So you can plan for the future. So if you do like the information that I put in this video, please subscribe. Please click the notification bell so you get notified of next month's video. Actually, it's not just next month's video. I do it every month, but I do a whole lot in between that period of time. I do 3 or 4 a week. So you get notified of these amazing videos to help you and your family move forward with your immigration process. If you want to speak directly to me, click the following link and reach out to me with any questions related to immigration or the Visa Bulletin. I'm here. I would love to help you succeed.